kumbolong mentai ngiyeng ha kanong rim kebangi keren but min saya peten marmataksi kadai ka reporting mah kabangi keren khamtam ya ki organization na ki district but na ki mor shahab but khamtam ya ka election ke salong ke Port-Royals. Actually ndai banga attack, I'm not attacking them, I'm highlight the issues. You know better what is going on, so I'm just highlighting the issue. I'm not attacking anybody. It's my duty as the state president of the party. Even from the center leader also, they told me we have to carry on with the issue. If there is any corruption issue, then I have to go and have to highlight the issue. That is matter. Ya, ke issue ke bangi la take up, ndai bangi la resolve. Matasi resolve ya ke organization matter. How to strengthen the party. Handai na repeat ya ke ju radon ki no ki corruption issue ki bakta ya ke state kum ke party ngin yai tempau ni pasya ya kata kat kum ga jingtip ko jonga hawanga ya kendu ya kinong yalam hapo Delhi kila ai ke instruction ya ke ai ke bagi di bande fi kamla manong ke ki piteng ban le nomor kum bala krendu in charge ngi u chuao hagwe dei bat sibon ki central scheme ru ha nomor utu wan na po na bar ke state retip ba ngi na po ke state ngitip baka don sibon cing ko tengila pentip yaki bat ki sa ai ka direction kumno baki de ban implement hagwe de baki central scheme khamtam namar ki diki time bound project. I think you have seen all across the Lokata has given some direction already to the state government to do the needful, and last time also when I went down to Delhi, when I met the concerned authority, some type of inspection will come. I can say from center.
Center will depute a team to
yes
inspect.
Yes.
Which are the areas they will inspect, call and...
You see, let them come. They will ask the document and proof, because we have already submitted the RTI, like I will highlight before also, RTI copy which we received from the concerned department, from the concerned council, we have already submitted to them, supplied to them for the information.
This is regarding district council issue.
Yes.